Good afternoon, everyone. My name is David Andronsalin, and my code name is 19250325. And this presentation, I will explain two topics related to computers, namely computer hardware and inside the computer. Their topics are important because the hardware and the internal components are the foundation of every computer system that we use every day. So let's start with the first topic, definition of the hardware. First, let's discuss computer hardware. Computer hardware refers to the physical part of a computer that can be seen and touched directly. Unlike a software, hardware has a physical form and can be connected, replaced, and upgraded. Hardware play a important roles because it allowed the computer to receive input, process information, and display results to users. Some common examples of the computer hardware are monitors, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. With the hardware, a computer system will not be able to function properly. Type of the hardware. Computer hardware can be divided into the several categories according to its function. There are four main categories, and first, input device, output device, processing device, and storage device. Each category has a specific purpose. Input device help us enter data into the computer. Output device display information to user. Processing device handle calculation and introduction. Storage device keep data and file for future use. Together, there's device help the computer perform different tasks efficiently. Let's look at input and output device. Input devices are used to send data and commands to the computer. For the example, we use a keyboard for typing, a mouse for navigation, a microphone for recording sound, and a scanner for converting physical document into the digital files. Output devices work in the opposite way. They provide information from the computer back to the user. Examples include monitor, printer, speaker, and projector. Their device make it possible for users to see, hear, and understand the result produced by the computer. Next, let's discuss a processing device and storage device. Processing devices are responsible for processing data and controlling computer operation. Examples include the motherboard, CPU, and processor. Meanwhile, storage devices are used to save data and information. Examples include the hard disk, flash drive, and CD or DVD, and RAM. Both processing and storage devices are important because they help the computer work efficiently. Function and benefit. Computer hardware has many important and function. It receives input from user, processes information, stores data, and produce output. Every hardware component contributes to overall operation of the computer. Hardware also provides many benefits in our daily life. In health, students learn more efficiently, super communication, store important information, and make work easier and faster. Today, hardware is used in the school, office, hospital, business, and many other places. They show how important computer hardware is in the modern life. And then we have a discuss computer hardware. And let's continue with the second topic, which is inside the computer. In this section, we will learn about the main component located inside a computer case and understand how they work together. Inside the computer. Inside a computer, there are several important components that perform different functions. Although user cannot allow see their component directly, they are essential for the computer to operate. Their internal parts work together to process data, run application, and store information. Some of the most important components inside a computer are motherboard, CPU, RAM, and storage device. Understanding their components help us understand how a computer works from the inside. RAM and storage. The next component is RAM, which stands for the random access memory. RAM is temporary storage area used by computer while the program are running. The more RAM a computer has, more application it can handle smoothly at the same time. Another important component is storage device. Storage devices are used to save file, application, and operation system permanently. Unlike a RAM, data stored in storage device remain available even after the computer is turned off. Common examples include the hard drive or HDD and the solid state drive, also known as SSD. How components work together? Although their components have a different responsibility, they work together as a complete system. For example, when a user operates a program, their storage device provides the data. RAM temporarily stored and the CPU processes the instruction, while the motherboard allows the communicate better all components. This cooperation enables the computer to perform tasks quickly and efficiently. Process can be summarized as input, processing, storage, and output. Without teamwork better their component, the computer will not be able to function properly. To conclude this presentation, computer hardware and internal computer component are essential part of every computer system. Hardware allows user to interact with the computer, while internal component ensure that all operations run smoothly. By understanding their component, we can better appreciate how computer work and how technology support our daily activities. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation has been useful and informative.